A little birdie told me you have lots of questions about how to properly use Clorox bleach. Oh wait, that was you. But you don't have to be scared. Hi, I'm Vanessa, and I've been a professional housekeeper for about 10 years. But people on social media call me the queen of cleaning. And today I'm gonna show you all my best tips and tricks about how to properly use Clorox bleach in your house. So let's go. We're gonna take this nice and slow. You ready? Question number 1. What can I use bleach on? Well, bleach can be used to clean hard, non-porous surfaces throughout your home, for example, like glazed tile, and that is typically found in your showers. At least that's where I can find it in my own home, but maybe you can find it in other places in your house. But not only that, you can also use it to clean porcelain. In my house, we went with porcelain floors throughout the entire house because I knew that I could use bleach to clean them. That was a huge factor for me. But anyways, you can also use bleach to clean stainless steel and even sealed granite and vinyl. So for example, think of all the appliances inside your house that are stainless steel, you can definitely use bleach. Question number 2, do I have to dilute it to use it? The answer to that is yes. To make a bleach solution, mix 1 gallon of water with 1/3 of a cup of Clorox Disinfecting Bleach. You do not have to dilute bleach when adding directly to laundry though. Question number 3, what are some unexpected uses for bleach? This is actually one of my favorite questions because you can actually use bleach to keep flowers fresh for longer by simply adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of bleach into a vase for every 1/3 gallons of water used. It's so easy and it works. Question number 4, can I treat mold with it? The answer to that is yes. Bleach can be used to tackle mold and mildew on hard, non-porous surfaces. At the end, just make sure to rinse and allow it to air dry. Last but not least, question number 5. How can I use bleach for my laundry? Bleach is a great way to whiten and brighten bleach-safe clothes. You can always check a garment's care label to ensure it is safe to use with bleach. But as a rule of thumb, you should never use bleach on wool, silk, leather, or spandex. I will also put exact measurements on the screen so that you know exactly what to do and how much to use. In conclusion, bleach is so versatile that you can even use it to make your glassware sparkle or even clean your grimy sinks. Yep, that one is dirty, or even clean pet messes from your floors. See, you didn't actually have to be scared of using Clorox disinfecting bleach in your house. It is so versatile and you can use it in so many different ways inside your house. I know I do. Well, that's all for today. Please let us know if you have any more questions or comments. We would love to hear from you. And until next time, see you later.